In this video, you are going to learn how to set up Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store using partner integration.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you need my assist, don't forget to check this video description because I will give all the resource link on there. Let's back to this topic.
This is actually a Shopify website and you can see it's a demo. Some products are already displayed here. And now we just want to connect Facebook Pixel using their partner integration. So for connecting partner integration, first of all, we need to install Facebook sales channel. So you will get an app on the App Store when you visit Facebook Shopify App Store. Then you will get Facebook apps. So you can see this is the App Store of Shopify, and simply you need to search Facebook. And if I search Facebook, I will get few plugin here. So some apps are paid and you can see it's ad, some ads are free. So this is Facebook and Instagram sales channel, it's free. So we just need to install that. So I just click on there and you can see it's already it's not a good review, but a lot of installation already done. Just hit the install and you can see it's need to click on install button again, and then it's loading. It takes some time to do that, and you can see the Facebook and Instagram sales channels are here. So now it's loading, and it's the first time, so that's why it's take few time here. And if I click on again, and then you can see the dashboard is here. So if I hit the get started, it say the connect Facebook account. So it's very simple, just you need to connect your Facebook account and then you need to do the few third steps here. So I don't want to show you that thing because it's a demo website. I don't want to connect that. So and then you need to go on the Facebook event manager, and if you hit the settings and then scroll down a little bit, and when you find the option which is choose a partner, you need to click on there, set up through a partner integration. So that's why actually just hit the choose partner and then select Shopify, and it say to see few instruction. If you want, you can see that. So it's actually are showing you telling you to install Facebook channels and connect your Facebook, etc. So if you want, you can read it. I just skip it because I already connect the app, and just check mark here I already read, and you can see when I read it's connected, it's showing active, and then hit next, and it's a test event, but I don't want to test, and you can see now it's connected to our Shopify store. So it's last 10 hours ago we got a data. So that's it. And if you want to check your Shopify store, and if you can't see the app here, you just need to reload this page. So for example, I just want to reload this page here, and then now when the reload will complete, you can see the Facebook and Instagram here. I don't want to use this method because this is not a great way to connect Facebook Pixel to our Shopify store. That's why I want to remove it. So just follow few steps for disconnecting partner integration, and it's done. And next video I will show you how to connect Facebook pixels using Google Tag Manager.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.